inspections by CG for all, that is complete guide for all. So hope you are good. So today question is, what is solid principle in Java? Actually, it's a very basic principle and it's a very good constructive principle in Java. So today we are going to discuss about the solid principle as per the interview perspective, and one by one with proper explanation I will provide in the next sections. So today we have to understand what is the solid principles. Basically, solid principle is a basic constructive principle by which we can make any projects, or you can understand in a simplest way. During the project development, we have to take care of the solid principle so that code is easy to understandable, flexible and maintainable. If you are not follow the solid principle, it's very difficult to maintain the code complexity, all those things will come. So that's why, what is the solid principle? Basically, solid principle is contents of the 5 basic designs principle. What are those? SOLID. S stands for single responsibility principle. O is open clause principle. L is less scope substitution principle. I stands for interface segregation principle, and D stands for dependency inversion principle. So all these 5 principles combined known as solid principle in Java. So one by one we will go with the basics. First is single responsibility. Single responsibility, like when we are going to define a class, class should contain one responsibility. So easy to maintain the class. Let us consider I am creating a registration page, and that registration page we have the 5 fields: name, age and roll number, and that phase we have to save in the database, as well as after the save it should be go in the mail. So both the things we should not define in a single class. We should be save part is the separate and email part is the separate. So easy to maintain. Suppose any error come in the email, so we have to go and check the email class. If any error come in the save part, so we will go and check the save part. So suppose in a very big project we are writing a class and we have the added the 10 responsibility, so that time we have very difficult to debug or very difficult to find out the reason. So that's why the solid principle tell us single responsibility. A class should have one and only one responsibility. Second is open close principle. O stands for open and close principle. What this is open and close principle? Software development open for the extension but close for the modification. What it is meaning? Open for extension means that you should design your class so that new functionality can be added as a new requirement are generated. Close for modification means that you have developed a class, you should never modify it except you have to modify your bug. Suppose during the development you find any bug, that you have a right to resolve the bug. So that kind of modification is allowed, not like you can modify the class. So that we can consider as a extension. Okay, this is the open and close principle. Third is less scope substitution principle. What is the less scope substitution principle? Derived type component must be completely substitutable for the base type component. Clear? This is the basic definition we are going to understand today, because as per the interviews, if they will ask what is the solid principle, they will brief in a such manner that. So what is less scope substitution principle? Derived type component must completely substitutable for their base type component. The less scope substitution principle applied to inheritable in hierarchy, especially specify that you should design your classes so that clients defends your substitution be subclasses without the client knowing the changes. So we will explain the with example in the next section. So this is because we have designed only for the interview, so I providing the definitions. So next is interface segregation principle. What this is meaning? Clients should not force to implement unnecessary method which is not in use. Let us consider we have a one page. The same page is used for the sales and same used for the sell and purchase. So purchase people not bother about the sales. He will only bother about the sales, and sales people only bother about the sales, not for the purchase. Both the situation happening at the same time. Suppose I am going to buy a things in the shop, so I buy a pen. So I am going to buy for me. He is going to purchase. He is only bother for that only. I am going for bother for that. Our sales and purchase. That's why what is principle telling? Clients should not be forced to implement unnecessary method which is not in use, so that he not able to use that. Correct? So that is the thing. Next is D, dependency inversion. So what is the dependency inversion? Dependency inversion principle, DIP, state that high level model should not depend upon the low level model. High level model should not depend upon the low level model. Correct? So this is the basic of the solid principle. In the next section, we are going with the one by one, like single responsibility. Yes, I will explain with a proper example. But if interview someone asks that what is the solid principle, we can clearly explain that is solid principle is combination of the five basic principle, which each and every but have the specific principle. S O L I D. S stands for single responsibility, O for open and close principle, L stands for Liskov substitution principle, I stand for interface segments principle, interface principle you can tell, interface segmentation principle, and D stand for dependency of inversion. So this is the five principle which combined known as the solid principle, and these principles are very useful to develop the projects. So in the next section, we will come with the other questions, and we have the many sections like in the solid principle. Let us consider solid. S stand for solid principles, single responsibility. We are come up with the proper explanation, so we understand for the development. So this section is only for the how to reply in the interview. So I think it's very simple and very easy to reply the solid principle. And in the other, so we have a different playlist. So I am going to add this video in our core Java interview section. Please go through that, give us the feedback. If you want to answer for the any question, please drop a mail. Very welcome, and thank you.